Hello, YouTube. Time for another, what are these called? Paper Pokemon. This is a booster pack. I didn't finish the set, but I only put about 20 cards so far. And so, yeah, another backwards one. And I can't show you the other side because it has some card stuff, but here you go. Okay. 2 in the back. One in the front. Okay. So only one of my rare, not ultra. And I'm not gonna look at the back because it'll show me if I got an ultra. So here we have a Froakie. You've already seen this guy. The commons you already saw. So Chespin, and I selected this randomly. Quilladin. Oh no. I got Chespin and Quilladin. Ugh, I got Brazen instead of. Are you ready for this, guys? A black and white Diancie card. Here are what the backs look like. It has what I call a BW ball, and it's, a Pokeball, but not colored in, and it says BW. So this is number 80 in the Kalos set, and it is an ultra rare. And here's how I did the energies. I wrote fairy rather than just coloring them in here because, it's black and white. So, for those of you who don't know, because you're not in Japan and you just, don't look at info that much, here is what the fairy type symbol looks like, and it's not that good. Well, I mean, the drawing of it isn't good. Neither is the Diancie itself, but yeah. Just a quick review. Diancie, Victory, Break Then, Quilladin, Chespin, Froakie. This video is a little too short, so I wanted to just talk about something else. Okay. I'm news reporter. Alakazam. I'm gonna tell you that we're gonna get a green screen. Now back to you, Alakazam.
I am weather reporter I am the weather reporter. Still no sign of Pokemon Bank release date.
Now to you. You pointed the wrong way. Oh, sorry. We're also gonna get a HD PVR2 and a game and a capture card. I'm waiting until it gets to 4 minutes. Okay.